Binance Spot. Grid bot setup. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open the Binance app. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. From the bottom menu bar, tap on the Trade tab. This is where you'll find Spot, Margin, Convert, and Strategy options. Step 2. Go to Strategy Trading. After selecting Trade, look for the Strategy Trading or Trading Bots button. Tap it to access the area where you can create a spot or futures grid trading bot. You will see two options: Spot Grid, Futures Grid. Since we are using spot trading, tap Spot Grid. Step 3. Select a trading pair. Now choose the crypto pair you want to trade. Examples: BTC/USDT BNB/USDT, Doge/USDT. This pair is where the bot will buy low and sell high automatically using the grid strategy. Choose a pair with good volume and daily movement. Step 4. Choose your strategy method. You'll see three options to configure the bot: AI strategy, auto-generated settings based on market behavior; popular strategy, predefined successful settings from other users; manual strategy, you set your own range, grids, and investment. We'll continue with manual strategy to have full control. Step 5. Set price range and grid levels. Mars. You have to define the bot's trading range. Lower price limit. This is the minimum price where the bot will buy. Example: $500 upper price limit. This is the max price where the bot will sell. Example: $600. Number of grids. This defines how many steps the bot splits the price range into. More grids equals more trades, smaller profit per trade. Example: 5 grids. Make sure your chosen price range reflects recent support HOS resistance. Step 6. Set investment amount. Now enter how much USDT you want to invest in this bot. Example: 50 USDT. Binance will calculate how much of the base asset, like BNB or BTC, it needs to start the grid. Minimum investment depends on the selected coin and grid count. Step 7. Advanced settings. Optional but useful. These are optional but useful for better control. Trigger price. Set a specific price at which the bot will start running. Stop. Trigger. Set a price where the bot will stop automatically to prevent bigger losses. Trailing up. If enabled, the grid range will automatically shift upwards as the price rises. Ideal for bullish markets. Grid mode. Choose between arithmetic, equal intervals, and geometric, percentage-based spacing. Arithmetic is usually easier to manage. Step 8. Start the bot. Review all your settings. If everything looks good, tap the Create or Start button at the bottom. The bot will now start placing orders automatically within your defined range. You'll see a confirmation and can track its progress in the Running Bots section. Step 9. Monitor and manage your bot. Once the bot is running, tap on Running Bots to see its performance. You'll see profit in real time, number of trades executed, and current price versus grid range. You can pause, stop, or edit the bot anytime. When stopped, the bot will cancel all pending orders and return the funds to your wallet. Tips for better grid bot performance. Use higher grids in sideways markets for more frequent trades. Use fewer grids in volatile markets for larger profit per trade. Don't go too wide on price range. Stay close to recent price action. Enable trailing up if the market is bullish.